Electric smokers offer a straightforward way to achieve that coveted smoky flavor in your food. Unlike more complex offset grills, pellet smokers, or charcoal options, electric smokers operate much like an electric oven. They utilize a built-in heating element to infuse your dishes with the delicious taste of wood chips. The primary advantage? Consistent heat that consistently delivers near-perfect results, all with minimal effort on your part. The best electric smokers share three essential qualities: solid build quality, precise temperature control, and ample cooking space. While features like Bluetooth temperature monitoring are nice, our research focused on models that are user-friendly, easy to clean, and offer excellent value for the price. Remember, electric smokers won't give you the same deep smoke flavor as offset or charcoal smokers, but they're perfect for those who want a touch of smokiness without the fuss. Happy smoking! To help you find the right model, we have listed the top 6 best electric smokers and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best ones for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If I'm able to get any discounts or coupon codes, I'll include those for you as well. Now let's get started. Number 6. Traeger Grills Tailgater Portable. Get ready to elevate your grilling game with the revolutionary Traeger Tailgater. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or a newcomer to the barbecue scene, allow me to introduce you to this game-changing grill. Get your taste buds ready because the Traeger Tailgater seamlessly combines convenience, portability, and mouth-watering flavor. This grill challenges the idea that exceptional grilling requires a bulky setup or ample space. Instead, the Tailgater offers the complete grilling experience, from smoking to baking and braising, all while using wood fuel and prioritizing eco-friendliness. It's all about enjoying the process and savoring the flavor. One of the standout qualities of the Traeger Tailgater pellet grill is its ability to deliver Traeger's renowned quality in a compact package. Despite its smaller footprint, with 300 square inches of cooking space, you can still create delicious meals to satisfy your cravings. And the best part? Weighing in at just 62 pounds, transporting this grill is a breeze. No need to summon your inner weightlifter or rely on superhuman strength. Measuring 36 inches by 37 inches by 18 inches, the Tailgater strikes the perfect balance between size and weight. As the name suggests, it's tailor-made for tailgating adventures. However, its compact design, lightweight construction, and portability also make it an excellent choice for grill masters with limited space or those who want to enjoy grilled delights on their apartment balconies. Say goodbye to concerns about landlord complaints or lack of yard space. With the Traeger Tailgater, there's no need to dedicate space to a massive unit, and if you bring it along on your camping trips, trust me, you'll become the talk of the campground. Number 5. Bradley Smoker Natural Draft Vertical Electric Smoker. If you're in the market for an electric smoker, look no further than the Bradley Original Smoker, offering exceptional value for your money. This smoker takes the guesswork out of smoking with its precise temperature control, ensuring your culinary creations are consistently cooked to perfection. Whether you're hot smoking or cold smoking, this unit has you covered, allowing you to bid farewell to constant fire tending. Thanks to its automatic fuel feed, the smoker can maintain smoke for up to 8 hours, freeing you to focus on other tasks. Crafted with the convenience of a refrigerator-style design, this smoker is thermostatically controlled, making it versatile for both hot and cold smoking. You'll enjoy the flexibility to smoke a variety of foods to perfection. Utilizing wood discs for smoke generation, this unit features a controlled mechanism for adding them, giving you the freedom to adjust smoke intensity to your liking without the hassle of tending to a fire. Crafted with a stainless steel interior, the smoker offers excellent insulation, ensuring consistent temperature regulation even in extreme weather conditions. With over 2,200 cubic inches of space, you can easily smoke enough food to satisfy a crowd, whether it's ribs, brisket, or salmon. The Bradley Original Smoker comes equipped with an automatic biscuit feeder system, guaranteeing a steady supply of wood discs for uninterrupted smoking sessions. Beyond barbecue, this smoker can be used for cold smoking fish like smoked salmon and doubles as a food dehydrator for making jerky or dried fruit. With its convenient stainless steel interior, cleaning is a breeze, especially after smoking fish. So go ahead and enjoy your gathering while the Bradley Original Smoker works its magic behind the scenes. Number 4. Cuisinart COS 330 Vertical Electric Smoker. If you're on the hunt for an affordable electric smoker that gets the job done without unnecessary bells and whistles, look no further than the Cuisinart COS 330. With its stellar ratings, reliable temperature controls, and just right cooking space, it's a solid choice for those seeking simplicity in their BBQ endeavors. Electric smokers are known for their user-friendly nature, making them a hit among both novices and seasoned BBQ enthusiasts alike. With the COS 330, getting started is a breeze. Simply set your desired temperature, add water and wood chips, and you'll be ready to cook in no time, typically within 15 to 20 minutes. Assembly couldn't be easier. Attach the legs, side handles, and racks, adjust the temperature control knobs, and you're good to go. To prep your new smoker, coat all interior surfaces with vegetable oil after removing the water pan. After running it on high for 2 hours, allow it to cool down before loading it up with your favorite foods. Like most electric smokers, the COS 330 requires regular additions of wood chips, usually every 30 minutes. While the smoke flavor may not be as robust as with other smoker types, it still delivers tasty results for most users. Cleaning is a breeze with this smoker. I recommend spraying the inside with a mixture of vinegar and water, then heating it up for 20 minutes. After it cools down, simply scrub it clean with a sponge and wipe it dry with paper towels. Overall, the Cuisinart COS 330 offers great value for those in search of a basic electric smoker. While it may lack fancy features or cutting-edge technology, its straightforward design and ease of use make it a hit among BBQ enthusiasts who appreciate simplicity. Number 3. Ninja Woodfire Pro 7-in-1 Grill and Smoker. If you've ever found yourself yearning for the simplicity of a Ninja air fryer and grill, combined with the rustic charm of outdoor cooking and the tantalizing aroma of wood smoke, then the Ninja Woodfire Pro BBQ Grill and Smoker is tailor-made for you. This outdoor 7-in-1 grill not only infuses your food with that irresistible smoky flavor, but also offers unmatched convenience compared to traditional BBQ steps. Designed with portability and storage in mind, this grill is a breeze to move around, perfect for outdoor use. While finding the ideal spot for it may require a bit of creativity, a metal table can serve as a suitable surface. Alternatively, Ninja offers a custom stand for added convenience, though at an additional cost, elevating the grill to a more ergonomic height. I wholeheartedly endorse the Ninja Woodfire for those dealing with limited outdoor space or restrictions on cooking fuels. Just picture the Woodfire's versatility shining in an apartment or townhome setting. However, if your primary concern is space constraints and you're open to using standard wood pellets, it's worth exploring other options. While the Ninja Woodfire is an exceptional grill, it may not deliver the exact flavor profile of traditional wood-fired pellet grills. Nevertheless, its adaptability is unmatched. Keep in mind, this grill is akin to having a Swiss Army knife for outdoor cooking. Ready to grill, smoke, bake, roast, air crisp, dehydrate, and broil, all within one compact device. Number 2. Masterbuilt 40-inch Digital Electric Smoker. Masterbuilt, a household name in the world of smokers, introduces its digital electric smoker, a fusion of superior craftsmanship and a wealth of 5-star ratings. While it may not offer the nuanced performance of traditional smokers, this electric model encompasses all the essential features we desire: generous cooking space, easily cleaned stainless steel interiors, and user-friendly temperature control. Assembling the 40-inch Masterbuilt is a breeze, though having an extra set of hands can be beneficial for certain steps. Despite its sizable dimensions, this smoker is surprisingly easy to maneuver, thanks to its convenient tilt-back wheels. Cleaning is effortless, thanks to the removable drip pan, accessory drip tray, and well-designed racks. Speaking of racks, they're sturdy and equipped with stops, facilitating the loading and unloading of food. The intuitive display and controls make operating it a pleasure, and the chip-holding tube is readily accessible for refills. When it comes to performance, this Masterbuilt maintains a consistent temperature, ensuring the smoke remains exactly where it should be. Throughout the cooking process, it requires 2 chip refills, one at the hour and 15-minute mark and another 35 minutes later. This smoker is a user-friendly powerhouse, delivering consistent heat and quick recovery times. While it may not clinch the top spot, it certainly earns a close second in our estimation. Number 1. Masterbuilt MB2007117 Digital Electric Smoker. Whether you're a fishing aficionado, constrained to electric-only options in your condo, or simply seeking an affordable yet spacious cooking capacity, the Masterbuilt MB2007117 digital electric smoker 30-inch deserves your attention. Throughout your cooking journey, you'll find the temperature to be remarkably consistent. However, it's important to note that there's a noticeable variance in heat distribution from rack to rack. The upper rack tends to run hotter and cook faster compared to the lower ones. A standout feature of this smoker is its side-loading wood chip port, allowing you to add wood chips without opening the door, thus minimizing heat loss. For this reason alone, I wholeheartedly endorse opting for a Masterbuilt smoker. While the insulation provides adequate heat retention, it's not exceptional. In adverse weather conditions such as cold, wind, or rain, you may need to make adjustments to maintain your desired temperature. The Masterbuilt digital electric smoker falls into the budget-friendly category. However, like many electric smokers, it does make some compromises in terms of quality. The smoker may feel somewhat flimsy and could struggle with larger cuts of meat. For those passionate about smoking fish, this electric smoker truly shines. Its gentle smoking method yields exceptionally delicious results, and it operates efficiently. In conclusion, the Masterbuilt digital electric smoker is an excellent choice for fish enthusiasts who value the convenience of electric smoking. Just be mindful of its limitations in terms of build quality. Remember, this smoker's strengths lie in its suitability for fish smoking and its user-friendly features. Thank you for embarking on this flavorful journey through the realm of electric smokers. Armed with a carefully curated selection, let's recap which smoker aligns perfectly with your culinary aspirations. Starting with number 6, the Traeger Grill's Tailgater Portable, ideal for those seeking a compact yet powerful option, perfect for tailgating adventures or small spaces. At number 5, the Bradley Smoker 4-Rack Natural Draft Vertical Electric Smoker offers exceptional value and versatility for those who love precise temperature control and consistent results. Moving on to number 4, the Cuisinart COS 330 Vertical Electric Smoker is a budget-friendly choice for anyone looking for simplicity and reliability in their smoking experience. Number 3, the Ninja Woodfire Pro 7-in-1 Grill and Smoker is a versatile option for those who crave the convenience of an all-in-one outdoor cooking solution. Next up, number 2, the Masterbuilt 40-inch Digital Electric Smoker. It's perfect for users who prioritize ease of use, ample cooking space, and consistent performance. Finally, our top pick at number 1, the Masterbuilt MB2007117 Digital Electric Smoker 30-inch. It's an excellent choice for fish enthusiasts and anyone seeking a budget-friendly option for user-friendly features. No matter which electric smoker you choose, we hope this guide has helped you find the perfect match for your smoking needs. Happy smoking, and until next time, stay tuned for more expert reviews and tips.